children.
Hello, everyone. Today, I will tell you about something very important in computer science, namely data normalization. It is a way to organize information so that it is clear and easy to use. Sometimes, data can be a mess, full of repetitions, errors, and inaccuracies. Normalization helps to tidy it up and make everything make sense. Listen to how our little animals tried to understand this topic. At the playground, Kitten and Sparrow talked for a long time about their new idea. They wanted to create a list of the best places to find treats in the park. Kitten was writing everything down in a notebook, but soon a problem arose because some places were repeated several times and the names were different. Sparrow noticed that in one place, Kitten wrote bench by the fountain and in another, bench near the water, even though they were talking about the same spot. They decided to organize it, but they did not know how. In the end, they concluded that their list was unreadable and needed a way to avoid repeating information. By the pond, Frog and Parakeet decided to prepare a list of all the frogs living in the area. Frog was hopping around and giving names, while Parakeet was writing them down. Soon, they noticed that some frogs had the same names, and sometimes they added nicknames too. Frog said that Cousin Green sometimes goes by Green and other times by Frogson. Parakeet pointed out that it was hard to keep track of that. Then they came up with the idea that they needed to create one place where all the information about each frog would be recorded without repetitions. That was a good way to normalize. On the meadow, I called Guinea Pig and Rat to check if they understood the topic well. I asked them why it is important to normalize data and what benefits it brings. Guinea Pig replied that it helps avoid chaos because everything is organized and there is no need to guess what is what. Rat added that thanks to normalization, you can find information faster because there are no repetitions or different names for the same thing. After their answers, I praised them for their good reasoning and emphasized that normalization makes data clearer and easier to analyze. Data normalization is a process that helps organize information and avoid messiness. Thanks to this, there are no repetitions, errors, or inaccuracies. The little animals realize that well-organized data is clearer and more useful. This is a very important principle in computer science. Remember this, and see you next time.